Good morning, guys. What's up? We're not going to do any type of intro or anything. It's stuff. So maybe we get some other people here from Twitter and other people. I know that we're doing this on Thursday. But welcome to like a TGIF stream on Thursday. So I'm not going to be trading tomorrow because tomorrow is quadruple witching day. So if you don't know what quadruple witching day is, read a damn book. No, I'm just kidding. But quadruple witching day is when the equity options, bond options, future contracts, and there's another one I always forget. I think it's I don't know, the commodities or something like that. They are they are gonna be oh, I gotta mute myself over here. They're gonna be expiring all on the same day. And historically, so this is a big thing. And I talk about, journaling your trades and tracking your trades and stuff like this. Historically, on quadruple and triple witching days, things like that, I tend to take pretty nice losses on those days. So um, there's kind of like a discrepancy in my room whether it's a good day to trade or it's a bad day to trade. I think it's a bad day, dude. I usually just get chopped around and everything. Um, so we'll so I'm not gonna trade tomorrow, and then also Saturday is my birthday. So if you guys want to send me Amazon gift cards, you gotta send me um, Bevmo. I will be here, dude. So I'm gonna just start my weekend early and have a good time and see what I get into and stuff. Let's get here. We don't have much time today. I am running extremely late. I haven't really gotten to look at a lot of tickers and stuff, but I don't know what the hell my Alexa's doing over there. Um, so just to let you guys know, so I am holding lemonade still. So I do have, dude, I like this little ticker, bro. I might, if we get another dip down here into the 80s, I may just buy some equity and just let it run. But we talked about this on the Stockcast on last Sunday, or even the week before that, for it to get above 100, and now it just put in like a really nice flag. And this is what we wanted, was that distribution right here towards 100. And we're putting in these higher lows, so this may break 100 and then continue going further up. So I do really like this, and I'm holding that. I do have a little bit of Peloton as well. So I took most of my profit here at the 130. So I probably take most of my profit here at all-time highs if we could push those. So I'm still keeping track of that, and then I also have AMD. So AMD from the no, dude, play music. This fucking stupid bitch. Anyways, so then um, here on AMD, so we had that nice day here towards the beginning of the week, I believe, and then we're kind of chopping around, flagging to make that first initial push here to the 100. Think we might get it today, guys. We're at 97.56 so far on the in pre-market. So keeping that on AMD, and then there's a lot of tickers that are set up really nice here today, guys. So Amazon set up really nice here at this 3250. This thing could get going and move like a 80, 100 points right here. So we're about to break out, and then we have like this area for it to go. So 3300. Someone has like there's a I don't know if it's a debit or credit spread, what have you. So someone bought the 4000s and bought like 3500s. So as long as the as long as Amazon closes below 4000 by I think February, they're gonna make a shitload of money. So um, all right. Um, all right. So do you guys have? I see you guys here in the YouTube. No one's really commenting or anything like that. So if you guys have any tickers you want to go over real quick before the open, I'm also we've been playing a lot of like PayPal. Oops, PYPL. So very strong so far here, guys. Now It's right here at this R1. It may have a little bit of a difficulty getting above that R1 because it's whole number 235, and then also the pivot point of the R1 right here. So if it does get above it, then great, and it gets above the pre-market highs because it has tried a couple times. So if you right here, so if it does get above that, this could still run here on PayPal, and then also the other one we're talking about was Twitter. Twitter, if Twitter starts going sideways right here, you could see all this volume that was being done right here in this area, right? So we just need a little bit of a dip, and then to get that accumulation for the day, and then make that run up. But if you come into the bigger time frame here on Twitter, so it's consolidating right at this high, the previous highs, and then we got blue skies. Like this starts, making its way towards 60, what have you, then it'll probably get to 100 eventually within a couple months, I believe. So I'm in depositing 25K next week so I can day trade. Any advice? I would say pocket 15K of that, put it in a savings account, and start day trading with about 10,000 instead. If you if you're not experienced day trader, the only thing that depositing more in an account to start an account means is that you'll take bigger losses. You can learn the same lessons for cheaper, and that's just cost of tuition. John, paper trading the key until you have a proven strategy that works. Paper trading, yeah. So paper trading too, you could do that too. So I don't know where you're at in your journey, but I would also say, dude, like to lower your learning curve and everything like that. Join us, dude. I'll put a link right here real quick for our lifetime membership. We get lots of members that are pretty consistently profitable after 3 months, 6 months or so, which is a lot, dude. Like generally, without help, right? The learning curve to be a successful day trader is about 3 years. But when you have someone to teach you and someone to mentor you and someone to show you the right way, that gets cut down significantly. Life. The bell's about to ring here in a bit, guys. Let's have a great trade session. I'm not. So I had a pretty nice day yesterday, guys. I hit 18K off of Amazon, and then my Peloton swing and stuff like that. So I'm doing pretty good for the month of December. I'm not really pressing on the gas too hard. So if something sets up, great. If something does not set up, then that's cool. Like I don't feel pressed or anything at all. So I think the big thing is to pick your takers, guys. There's a lot of things that are moving at right now. Zoom might be really good here too. Zoom is freaking curled up pretty sick. Yeah, so like right now, like exactly like how we're streaming right now. Obviously, right now on YouTube, there's latency. So there's a latency between me saying something and you hearing it on YouTube because they do process it. So I would not, take any trades on what I'm saying unless you find value in it when I say it here on YouTube. But the whole reason I do like this TGIF stream and stuff is to be able to is to kind of give everyone a taste what it's like to be in the New Age Wall Street room. So you're basically like an honorary member for the day for the trade session. So And that's basically what we're doing. Facebook's gonna take off here, guys. Amazon, Amazon. And then I'll explain like thought process and reasoning, behind tickers and stuff and everything. Like we are not an alert service. Like the whole reason I do this like streaming type thing is so then you could visually and audibly be able to learn because everyone learns a little bit differently. And obviously you get the kinesthetic part of it by actually doing it. Peloton's beast in here, guys. 138 is where I wanted to get to. Bro, I'm having like such a morning, bro. So, yeah, dip to the PDC, dip to right here to the pivot, then run up. There's some DKNG flow. Yeah, so one of my guys in my chat right now, he just made 25K on Roku. So Roku's been awesome, dude. I missed it when for the break of that 300. I like Facebook setup right here.
M11 calls.
278.
December 31st, 2020. 1,992 contracts. M11 calls. December 31st, 2020. 1,474 CHWY. 100 calls. December 18, 2020. 254 contracts.
All right, so just being patient, letting things kind of settle in here. As far as right now, so this DKNG though is actually going to set up really nice. You see these bottom wicks right here, so we should get a nice push to get above PDC right here in DKNG.
Mara. 10 calls. December 18, 2020. 1,040 contracts.
Oh, Bags just ignored me in the chat, bro.
AAPL. 126 calls. December 18, 2020. 1,658 contracts.
INTC holding daily pivot point at 50.90. Another dip and red continuation play. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's, oh. No, this is this is way crazy right here. Oh, did I see it too late? Sorry, dude.
FSM. 8 calls. January 15, 2021. 560. SLB. 21 puts. April 16, 2021. 600 contracts. MBLX. 15 calls. February 19, 2021. MBLX.
Right here on Netflix, guys. I like this setup here on Netflix. It's kind of just going sideways against this pivot, riding it. So we're gonna push up here, try to get to 280.
December 18, 2020. 900. Ryan.
And also Netflix is gonna take off right here too.
January 15, 2021. 911 SLB. 21 puts. April 16, 2021. 1,001 FCEL. 9 calls. December 18, 2020. 507 contracts. AAPL. 126 calls. December 18.
All right, PayPal's pushing up. So
1,000 RRD. 3 calls. June 18, 2021. 900 contracts.
all right, so we break, like I said, we break these pre-market highs and stuff right here on PayPal. We'll start going pretty hard. We just need this volume to follow through and help us out here. There we go.
90 calls. April 16, 2021. 533 contracts.
There we go. And so
GDF.
broke above pre-market highs.
7 calls. December 18,
Pretty good resistance up here in this level. Like I said, we need some more volume to be able to come in and help us out on it.
Contracts.
There's that. Oh my goodness, bro. Did you guys see Facebook?
Grad 26 calls. April 16th, 2021. 600 contracts. FB. 280 calls. December 24th, 2020. 550 NFLX. 540 calls. December 18th, 2020. 200
All right, so taking a little bit of my Facebook right here against the 280, like I had said.
February 19th, 2021. 500 contracts. GDX. 37 calls. December 18th, 2020. 1000 KGC. 8 calls. February 19th, 2021. 1,739 contracts.
And Amazon is flagging here pretty nice, guys. So it popped up to 32, almost 65, and then it pulled back to 32.55. I think it's gonna accumulate right here and then get going. And then we got PayPal here pushing to 236. There we go. Beautiful, dude. Beautiful, beautiful.
SDC. 11 calls. December 18th, 2020. 1,000.
Yeah, Ranger. Did you see Zoom? That thing, dude, is I've been paying tithings to Zoom as of lately, bro. I've been kind of wrong on it a lot.
20 calls. January 15th, 2021. 996 contracts.
Ooh, dude, did you guys see Twitter? Look at that dip and rip on Twitter. Like, I'll go ahead and explain this here, the dip and rip right here on Twitter. So we had this really nice gap up cut here today, right? And then what happens is people start taking profit here right at the open. And I thought it touched the PDC, but I can't. Yeah, it touched the PDC right here. So dip, touch the PDC, and then just rip up from there. So about $54 to 55, already up $1 on a $50 stock. So doing pretty good.
1,000 PDD. 165 calls. December 31st, 2020.
Like I don't, dude. I don't mind the saying. So they're making fun of me in the chat room because I don't like the term. I don't like the term to the moon. And the thing is that like I don't mind the actual term, like to use it or whatever, but it's overused in like those groups and like in those forums and stuff.
2021. 7th BIDA. 190 calls. December 24th, 2020. 400 BIDA. 190 calls. December
Ooh, the SPY is selling off here pretty hard.
200 NMTR. 2 calls. February 19th, 2021. 711 calls. December
Lots of flow coming in through today, guys.
2,083 contracts.
DKNG. Yeah, so DKNG trying to break above right here. So remember what we were talking about yesterday, though, that that compression or consolidation under a support or resistance level, it needs to break above. We need to get that crossover play here, maybe a pop to this 54, come back, retest, and then go on this DKNG. Yeah, here's the curl up here on Zoom. 409 to 410 is hard resistance for Zoom, so just be aware of that.
CNK. 15 puts. January 15th, 2021. 1,000 contracts.
Dude, my lemonade is doing really good, dude. We need to get above this 98. Start pushing this R1 right here, but
BHC. 23 calls. July 16, 2021. 1,584 contracts. GLD 179 calls. December 24, 2020. 1,158 contracts.
dude, this Facebook's gonna be pretty nice. Let's see if it gets to this R2 and then get above that.
BHC. 23 calls. July 16, 2021. 674 contracts.
Dude, what kind of this thing is sick, bro. Like I can't say it enough. This lemonade kind of ticker is under $100 and moves 4 points with the volatility at the open. Come on, dude. 94.50, the 98.50, bro. Now we're at almost 99. I like that, dude. All right, what happened to the flow? We had a wall on the flow. No, nothing else coming through. PayPal.
BLNK. 35 calls. June 18, 2021. 700 contracts.
Cuts, what's up? All my regular guys, they're expecting me on Friday. They're not going to show up on Thursday, and I forgot to make announcements on Twitter that I was going to do it on Thursday.
2020.
But what's going on, bro?
150 ANZN. 3,260 calls. December 18, 2020. AAEL. 131 calls. December 31st, 2020. 1,644 contracts. December 18, 2020. 535 contracts.
Oh, the move on Microsoft yesterday was freaking sick. Gotta if Anthony is in here listening to me, dude, good. That was a great job with spotting that
December
setup,
1st,
dude.
2021. 600 contracts.
No, I haven't really necessarily taken a look here, dude. To be 100% honest on it. Um, well, actually, one of my guys, I got to give him props. I think it was, um, I forget what his name was. Um, he's from Georgia. He's a new guy. I haven't seen him today, but he actually called out Microsoft the night before because there was a lot of flow on there, and so yeah, then he so there was flow for that. For I don't know if it was for the move for yesterday, if they already took the profit. I haven't looked at the open interest on it, but absolutely.
MSFT. 232 calls. January 8, 2020. 342 contracts.
All right, so I'm gonna take profit here on lemonade, guys. Oh, dude. Then it goes and does a big ass wash. Squawk radio? What's that? Oh, cool. That's cool that you guys my uncles were watching me trade and stuff. Dude, that's really cool, man. Like my family doesn't really get know like they haven't really got to see me like operate like and do my thing like here trading and stuff. It's kind of like when you have a kid and they're like at their basketball game, you know what I mean? And you're like, "Look, Dad, did you see me do that?" That's how I feel right now. Shout out to the fam. Yeah, thank you, dude. That's pretty cool. Then you should also know STFR, sell the fucking rip. You imagine if we get stimulus news too? MP, what do you mean managing the spread? Like when you're getting into the trade and then you don't? I try to get filled on my lemonade, guys, and it didn't fill, dude. So like now I'm just kind of I'm not necessarily bag holding. I'm up, right? So I have my sell order out there, and it just I mean I could take profit right now, but I lose like 2 grand. I may just do that, dude, because this lemonade was a bonus freaking. It was like a bonus trade. How do you get a better entry when spreads are high? You don't play it, dude. So if something has a a pretty big spread on it, and maybe I should ask like what you're thinking of as a big spread, um, then then you don't take the trade. I don't take the trade as far as options. You can't control the spread, right? And you don't want to get so the reason there's a big spread like that is most of the time because there isn't the liquidity for you to be able to get well it's not that's not the reason, but whenever there is a big spread the liquidity sucks and the market makers widen that spread to be able to keep the action moving, and so it could kind of make a nightmare for you, dude. So I would just say like um, don't enter the trade if the spread is too big. There's been a couple times like on lemonade actually where I wanted to do like a swing, and I was like nah, never mind, because of the way that the spread was, and then I started doing like the weeklies, just a quick momentum moves and stuff like that, and it was definitely a lot better. Oh man. Oh, there he is, cool head, there he is. Cool head's the one that was calling out the Microsoft on Tuesday, I believe. A percentage? You're not gonna get you're not gonna get it because it's gonna be different for every ticker based off of the price that the ticker actually is, and the amount of contracts, the liquidity of the contracts that is being traded, right? So, in options, dude, up to 50 cents is okay with me, dude. You start getting above, like 50 cents, nah, like I won't. You see ones, dollars sometimes, $1, $5 or whatever, and um, block said Saturday. SPY had the pre-market low as well. Yeah, I'm actually thinking if we get a pretty nice dip on the SPY, guys, I may just take some SPY calls just to see, just as a, honestly, it would be a gamble, not necessarily a trade. It would just me throwing some money on red. You know what I mean? Oh damn, dude. Yeah, don't play that shit, bro. Don't play that shit, bro. That whole 9 and 12. Yeah, bro. Don't that that's a do not trade, bro. Even if the even if the chart is looking juicy as hell and it's doing really well, um, that's a do not trade, bro. Hold on, guys. Sorry, guys. My uncle's gonna make me cry right now, man. Like for those of you guys that don't, bruh, I can't believe I'm gonna get emotional here on YouTube while I'm alive, bruh. For those of you that know my story and stuff, man, like, you know my relationship with my mom. Um, I don't talk to my dad either, man. Like, I'm really like, on that end, I've always been by myself, and so the closest family member that I kind of have is an uncle on my dad's side of the family, and he's always been real supportive. He's always been real, everything with trading. When I told him I wanted to quit my job at T-Mobile and do trading, he's like, well, I think you could do it, and he's like, I think oh, look at that Microsoft flow coming in, guys. So that you guys were asking about that Microsoft flow. Look at that. Oh, I'm a fucking idiot, dude. I have it filtered right now. Never mind. I'm sorry, dude. Um, so he's always been really supportive and stuff, man. And we actually worked together. I've told a couple of you guys that I worked together as a welding contractor when I was real young, and he would go out there and he's a badass, man. He works his ass off, and to get that kind of validation. So like I don't know, I don't know if you guys could see like on my thing or whatever, but my notes. So like he just told me good morning this morning. I said good morning. He said working hard or hardly working. I said come watch me on YouTube. And he said, so him and my other uncle, his brother, they both work in the same spot. So they both they work for an aerospace company there in California. Um, and so they're like, me and your Theo were just watching for a bit. I showed him your office building on Instagram. I said, thank you. I said, what do you guys think? He's like, you a badass. Yeah, you're a badass. And I was like, I'm just working like everyone else.
79
He's
calls.
really proud of you. Don't ever stop
January
pushing.
8th, 2020. 1,195 contracts.
So that's cool, man. Like, honestly, like what I've talked a lot about, like I've talked a lot about like the money part of like this whole game. Obviously, where this is what our job is, what we we produce money.
January 15th,
But
2021.
the money don't mean
500
shit, man.
contracts.
To actually have someone say they're proud of you and to do like
174
I guess,
calls.
and that's always been like my
December
personal
31st, 2020.
emotional issue is validation from other
200
people like that.
contracts.
So that's really cool, man. Um, yeah. Hate Apple. I hate Apple too, bro. My birthday is on Saturday, guys. I turned 32 years old. I feel like I'm dude, I know I'm not old, right? So everyone say I'm getting old or whatever. Like I know I'm not old, like if that makes sense. Um but I do feel like I'm not young anymore. Like if that makes sense. Like I'm not we get a lot of like it was funny, like if you're a member in my chat room, I posted a TikTok from my boy was tattooing last night, and he was tattooing a girl, and on Friday and Saturday nights,
296. December 8th,
Friday Saturday nights,
2020.
the Trade Factory turns into kind of like
594
a club. Everyone
contracts.
just brings their own alcohol, and everyone comes and hangs out and stuff while like my boys tattooing and everything, and that's just kind of like their industry and the way that they do business. You know what I mean? But most of the girls that come, like they're in their younger 20s and stuff. Like most of the people that come, and I just realized I'm not
Day.
like that no more.
17 calls. December 18th,
Happy
2020.
birthday! Thank you, dude.
143 contracts.
Saturday, bro.
GME. 15 calls. December 24th, 2020. 500 FB. 280 calls. December 24th, 2020. 534 contracts.
So, um, I wanted to go out and have like a nice dinner and stuff with my friends, invite some people and stuff. But we're not necessarily on lockdown, but there's no so dine in eating, yeah, dine. So you can only do takeout. So we may do like something like there's a I don't know if here in Texas and New Mexico, I think it's like a chain that's called Rudy's Barbecue. We may just go and order like a big order of barbecue and invite some people here to the office. I think I've caught all my trades, guys. I kind of got sidetracked. You know what? They were texting me, and I not really looking at the trade stuff anymore. So um, what do you call it? I think I'm done for the morning trading. I've definitely reached my profit target for the day. Um, oh my goodness, look at Tesla, dude. I didn't even pull up Tesla today.
SKLZ. 17 calls. January
I
15th,
still have my 675
2021.
Teslas, guys, so they are not doing too
3,065
good.
calls. January 15th, 2021.
Yeah, PayPal.
500 contracts.
Yeah, right here. This would be a really big macro crossover. Yeah, I like this right here. That's a nice call out here, Nelly. So let me go ahead and I wrote your name, bro. I'll put PayPal right here. So we have a play in the room called the crossover, And this would be it right here on PayPal. So cross over the support line or resistance line, right? So this 235 pivot or R1, whatever you want to call it, crossover spike, right? What's his name? What's his name? Bags calls this the magic Mike candle, and then they pulled back right here, and now it's trying to hold this area, right? And then what you would want is for this to go ahead and bounce up and continue going up. But this volume is trying kind of telling the story right here. There's not a whole lot of demand in here, bro. So we would need some more demand to come in here.
TSLA.
Thank you guys, my tier.
600 calls. December 24th, 2020. 419 contracts.
Hi, Richard. Let me send this message real quick, guys. Happy birthday, Captain. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. All the birthday love, guys. It's Saturday. It's not today though. I'm gonna get like a captain hat. What do you guys think? I'm gonna wear it on my YouTubes. Um, I'm gonna wear the captain hat on my YouTubes and go. Look at that, Nelly. Look at that crossover play. Get up there, motherfucker. Go. Jersey boy. Oh, well, you didn't get filled? Man. Ooh, yeah, Snapchat's beasting up here. Peloton's up here, gonna make a second move right here, guys. Nice ascending triangle against the R1 right here. Alexa, shuffle music. What the hell is this, dude? Alexa, play my Lights playlist. If you guys have questions or tickers that you want me to analyze and stuff, guys, just call them out. So I think, like I said, I think I'm done trading for the day. So just let me know. All right. What's your daily profit target, stop loss on which ones there, MMP? Are you asking me or are you asking Bags? Where's NFX? Oh, yeah. So my daily profit target, so it's 4,000. So my daily profit target is 4,000, and that's a stretch goal, right? Like if I only hit 2,000, dude, that's a really nice day, right? But um, 4,000 a day is a million a year. So 4,000 average, I should say. But whenever I hit that, right? So anything over 4,000, I'm done for the day. Like you don't take any more trades. That's it. You should close up your execution screens, and that's it. Trying to figure out how to crop this thing. Hot potato, what's up? That's an OSTK. Sorry, dude. I'm over here sending messages. Um, OSTK. Like on a macro term on OSTK. Oh, this actually may get a little interesting right here, dude. So we kind of almost got like this inverse head and shoulders, right? So like this is your head right here, shoulder, and then we have the breakout point, your neckline of the 69.50 or so, up to 70. So if we get above that, bro, we have some room to go up. The only thing is that all this volume that has been done right here, this may chop around in this area for like the 70s area, because of all the volume that's been done here in the past. It may get a little choppy right here, but but yeah, this is a really nice setup right here, dude. It would be worth keeping an eye on. And then cars, I don't know what ticker is this. I know it's not Carvana, right? Just cars.com. Yeah, so here on cars.com, this is a really nice trend right here. It's definitely very extended, right? And then the thing is, though, right here, it did hit some resistance and pull back. And you can see that there's buyers right here, all in this upper 12s area. So wick right here, wick. So I would come in and, just draw your line across right, like around in this area, right? So as long as it holds around in this, oops, like it put a freaking gray thing. But right here, 1270 would definitely be like your line where you would want it to stay above and then for it to continue to go further up. But yeah, I like those. Let me see here. Okay. Dude, these guys are fucking idiots, man. Like, I don't know if you've seen that New York shut down all their inside dining as well. So, like, there's a video right here actually on what do you call it? On Dave Portnoy, on his Instagram, and they're freaking eating curbside, dude. I don't know if you guys could see. They're eating curbside in the fucking snow. Like, it's stupid, bro. I want to show you guys something here in my room, like to my members and stuff. I have a so MP MP AZ trader. He signed up here for the mentorship, and we've been working closely together. And what he does, I believe, and correct me if I'm wrong, MP. He just uses OBS and he like streams it to like a YouTube, right? And I don't think that your YouTube is has very many followers or anything, right? Um, and then he was able to just go back and look at his executions and stuff like that. And we talked about that in the Saturday member only Saturday study session about recording your screen as you're trading, and that's invaluable, right? For you to be able to like go back and actually see the price action and how you reacted accordingly to it. Maybe with his permission, maybe on the study session on Saturday, I'll show you the way that he did it and stuff. But that's exactly like kind of like what I would do back in the day for my stuff is just record your screen as you're trading, and you're able to go back and look at it like game film. Dude, this PayPal is gonna take off here, Nelly. I don't know if you ever got filled on that, bro. Ooh, nice bounce on the SPY here, guys. What's going on? Trump tweets stimulus talks looking very good. Senator Durbin says, fingers crossed we may come up with a deal today. No vaccine producer has applied for definitive registration of their vaccine for emergency use. A lot going on. Excuse me. A lot going on in the world right now. Yeah, so Nvidia actually looking pretty nice right here, dude. It's gonna validate this pivot, and then we should see if it gets going. But Nvidia, bro, is a freaking lazy ass ticker right now, to be honest, dude. AMD is in a really nice compression down here, guys. The only thing is it's I don't know why it does this. It did it yesterday too. Um, so it's compressing underneath the thing. Mm, right here. So like this sideways, you see this compression being signaled on the TTM. The only thing is that it has the overhead of the PDC right here. So this is your area that it's trying to get over. And you could see where this volume is just kind of dying right here. So if we could get some type of volume increase right here, some buyers in here, that would be nice for us to try to swing back around right here on AMD. Oh, look at this MVIS, Alberto. I've been waiting for them to make this move. Yeah, so there, Nelly. If you're listening to me, dude, that third candle right there on square, yeah, that would have been the spot. Yeah, so I would have bought there, dude. The only thing is then you have to take profit against the resistance, right? And AMD is trying to do it, dude. Trying to do it. Getting it again is good. All right, so it looks like volume kind of died off here now, guys. Yeah, PayPal's knocking on the door here. I think we get to 240 today. What do you guys think? Not in the right headspace, dude. So I didn't realize last night, dude. I was here filming that video, that stupid TikTok for my friend, and they didn't get done until like 11 o'clock or so. And then, and then by the time I got home, bro, I got home. Um, well, so like we left here, and then by the time I got home and like decompressed, chill out, hit up the old P hub, take a shower, get in bed. It was like 1 o'clock, dude, and so then I wake up usually like at 4:30, and I woke up late and stuff, and so I was just kind of like not in my routine. Darian was actually talking a lot about the routines this last Saturday in this study session, and so my routine was off this morning, and then loading stuff up and everything didn't really go like the way that I wanted it to, and was getting a little bit frustrated. So honestly, Amazon's looking pretty good right here, dude. There goes Nvidia for you too. So I'll type to you here in a second, Darren. I see your thing, dude. Can't explain. Oh, look at AMD here, guys. This is our setup in motion right here. You watching it in real time. Can someone tell me what price pen is at right now? Bro, dude, I wanted to get pen at $50, and I said $100 is the magnet for a pen. I I never pulled the trigger on it, bro. Lemonade's pushing 100 again. Drugs can explain. United Airlines. Yeah, we talked about this, right? I think we talked about this on the Stockcast this last Sunday. Here, seasonal chef. So here on this like yearly chart, right? We talked about like a little cup right here, and then like the big old cup like this, right? And then we talked about it hitting the 50 and then pulling back. Absolutely, bro. I love this fucking I love this setup right here. I don't know if you could hear me. I don't. Is Are you holding that PayPal there, Mike? Squeezing on 5 of your time frames. No, I'm not muted, am I? No. Oh, look, we're hitting 238 now on PayPal. It's squeezing on 5 of my time frames. Which one? PayPal? How come? What's the main reason you're playing Airbnb there, MP? If I could ask, dude. Richard, what's up? Yeah, Tesla needs to build this area right here where it's at on this R1, and 650 is definitely big resistance for Tesla. Can we talk real quick about low key how underrated Hillary Duff is? Like she's hot as hell, bro. Break above VWAP and T3 anticipating push to 150 on Airbnb. I don't like playing IPOs like that, dude. I just, and this is just me, dude. Like, yeah, see, Phil. What do they call this right here? Could someone tell Bags to look at PayPal? Is this called the three crows or whatever when it puts it when you start getting these candles like three like doji candles like this? So yeah, dude. Now you're gonna have to look for a spot to try to take some profit right here on PayPal because now we put in this topping candle right here. Now it may pull back and try to hold in this area. You could see right here where the buyers were here in this area, right? But this is not really that good. We'll see though. So yeah, there it goes. Netflix to VWAP. Apple's trying to push up. Yeah, dude, I don't like the way Apple moves, bro. That thing is like, it's like trying to push my ex girlfriend, bro. Is anyone still trading? Oh, there we go. You got a nice candle right here, Mike. I don't know if you're still holding or not, dude. This is actually a pretty nice flag on the 5 minute. So no more scalps. Data plays. What do you do? Like on Thursdays? Thursdays you look for something with inflated open interest and things like that, and inflated premium, and then just let them expire on Friday. Are you at your office, Richard? I don't know if the microphone's picking up the music or not, but I'm going to get copyright and watch. I see, bro. How come you haven't joined us yet, Cuts? You just like coming and chilling on Fridays and Sundays? Seems like you know what you're doing over there. Next Monday, like over the weekend, this weekend Monday, which would be the 22nd or 21st. Or like the week after Christmas. Yeah, for sure, dude. We'll take some shots and everything. You break a trading rule, you take a shot. You miss a trade, you take a shot. Zoom is in a really big compression right here, guys, off of the 403. I don't know if Ranger is still in here with us. But I like this dude. If we can, the volume hit a fucking wall right now, guys. Like on a lot of things. That's why PayPal wasn't able to make it above the that 238 right here. So so yeah, I think we're just chilling now. I haven't missed a trade all week. Damn, bro, you gonna flex on me like that? Yeah, guys, but you guys are always welcome. I have space here for you guys and stuff. Anyone that wants to come trade with me, dude, like this, it gets lonely being in here all by myself. All I gotta go visit the therapist girl next door, bro. Oh shit! My hat like pulled my hair. We should get to 138 tomorrow on Peloton. That'll be nice. AMD. Oh, AMD finally made that move we were talking about. So we were talking about this compression right here, right? It even did it on the 5 minute. And it did the crossover. So here's your compression, right? And then now it's trying to break up and keep on going. Oh. I held the 10-day spread for 5 to 1 sold yesterday for one profit. How many shots does that get me? That gets you that honestly, bro, I give you a high five for risk management on that, bro. Mm-hmm. The spy's gassing out. I don't know, dude. We're putting in a really nice support here in this area, dude. Look at these wicks. Now, if we get any type of bad news, though, we're going freaking for a ride right here. Someone just bought some deep in the money Tesla calls. Pretty big, pretty big right here. 2.4 million. Oh man, is Aaron trading again or what? Is which one long or short? Oh, right here on the Tesla. So I mean, we don't know what their intentions are. That we just know the transaction, right? So we just know that there was 600 calls bought for 2.4 million right here. So these are expiration for next week. So it kind of seems like this is they're either trying to do some type of spread or the a hedge, especially with it being so far in the money. All right, guys, it's 11 o'clock. Gonna go ahead and wrap up the YouTubes here. Lemonade has been really nice, dude. Um, the Tesla flow. I don't feel the love right now. I feel like I'm stuck in an X staring at that chart. I feel you, dude. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the YouTube. I'll go ahead and put in the screen share here in the Discord if you're in the Discord. And yeah, dude. Um, Cuts, bro. Send me a DM on Twitter, brother, if you don't mind. On Twitter or an email. So you just cruise at cruise at New Age Wall Street for the email. Yeah, send me a message, brother. And then yeah, guys, I'm gonna take the day off tomorrow too. Like I said, so obviously while we're doing the stream today, it's gonna be feel weird that I don't have to wake up early or whatever. I'll still probably pop in for my members on the Discord, probably just like on my phone and stuff. But done trading for the week. I think for I need to update my trader sync, but I think I don't know how much I did this week. I did really pretty well. Um, so nice birthday week. December's been turning out to be really well. Really good way to end the year. I don't know if there's anyone in here that's sticking around that's not a member, but I did pin the lifetime membership thing at the top. It's only $2.99 lifetime membership. We have member only webinars every week. You bring your stuff, we could study. I'll answer your questions personally, and then I'm available to you guys all the time, anyways. And then we have like an indicator library if you need the indicators. A lot of members have taken upon themselves, little light coding stuff to tweak them themselves. So if you need help with that stuff, and then I call out trades and stuff like the way that we did today, just live. Just on the PayPal trade, alone, or a few other trades. The Facebook, I think, as well, would have definitely just paid for your membership on that first trade. So we'd be excited to have you get your New Year's kicked off right. Joining with us, and yeah, so we only have like what, one or two more TGIF streams in the year, and then we'll be in 2021. So, yeah, Richard is always taking off Fridays. That's funny, dude. Um, Still always takes off Fridays. So, so yeah, and we'll see you guys on Sunday for the Stockcast at 8 p.m. market time. Bring your tickers that your watch list you're personally looking at excuse me, I got hiccups all of a sudden, for the week, and we'll go over it then. So we'll see you guys then at the Stockcast. You guys take it easy, all right?